Hello everyone, hopefully you all will be fine. After a long time, I come back with a new video. Okay, without wasting any time, just open your any browser like that, Google, and here you can write truck accident attorney in California. This is our today topic of the video. After right here, just press the enter, and this interface in front of me and all of you. First of all, we can see here, first one is sponsored website, second one is also sponsored website, third one is also sponsored, fourth one is also sponsored, and fifth one is. I click on it. Here are our today topic video, that is best truck accident liars, that is Los Angeles year 2023. Here are complete information are related to this liar. How an auto accident liar in your area, how long ago did the accident occur. Here we need to mention the exact date, like less than 3 years, less than 2 years, less than 1 year, less than 4 years, less than 5 years, 5 or more years. I simply click on less than 1 year and then click on next. Here, did you receive medical treatment for your injury? Still I did not receive any medical. I click on no and then next. Where are you fault? Where you at fault? Yes, I was cited or caused the accident. Yes, but it was the result of a tree animal. I click on it and simple next. Have you already signed up with a law firm to help you with this case? Still no, and simple click on next. Okay, here you need to describe briefly your case, and after like that, I got accident on the road during drive my car at afternoon on the in front of afternoon in front of City Hall at California. Here is brief. You can brief your case, then simply next. Here you can put your zip code like that 34692 and click on next. Here you can put your first name like that, Trent, and here Harry, and click on the next option. Here you can put your mail and number and submit. Your case should be closed. I hope this video helped to you, and if helped, then must subscribe my channel, like the video. See you in next video.